The foundation of AL-TAIBA School was laid in the year 2011 in Yadullah Colony, with a humble yet determined start. It started with just 33 students, 3 classrooms, and 4 dedicated teachers, all driven by a shared vision to provide quality education. Despite its modest infrastructure, the school quickly gained recognition for its commitment to academic excellence and moral upbringing, drawing more students each year, with a forward-thinking vision and dedication to expanding educational opportunities. The management took a significant step in 2018 by establishing another branch in Empire Garden, Azadpur Road, Gulbarga. This expansion marked a new milestone in the school's journey, further strengthening its mission to provide holistic education in a nurturing and well-equipped environment. Today, the school proudly serves over 700 students, delivering quality education and holistic development. Welcome to AL-TAIBA School, managed and run by the Jami-ul-Kaleem Educational Trust, Gulbarga. This prestigious institution operates under the blessings of Hazrat Shaykh Shah Muhammad Tajuddin Junaidi Sahab, Qibla Rahmatullahi Alayhi, and the esteemed guidance of Hazrat Shah Muhammad Afzaluddin Junaidi Sahab, Siraj Baba, Sajjada Nashin, Hazrat Shaykh Dikkan Rahmatullahi Alayhi.
उनके और हमारे पीर मुर्शिद हज़रत सूफ़ी बासफ़ा पीर तरीक़त शेख शाह मोहम्मद ताजुद्दीन जुनैदी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह पेशरो सजादा नशीन बारगाह हज़रत शेख दक्कन और उनके वालिदैन मंसूर साहब के वालिदैन की ख़ुसूसी दुआएं थी। और जो ट्रस्ट उन्होंने क़ायम किया वो ट्रस्ट जो है सरकार दुजहां सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का लक़ब मुबारक है जो आमिल-उल-कलीम, उसकी भी बरकत है कि यदुल्ला कॉलोनी के एक घर से ये स्कूल जो शुरू हुआ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसमें 33 तलबा थे। ये सफ़र इसी तरह तालीमी चलता रहा और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज बड़े पैमाने पर एक बड़ी बिल्डिंग आपके सामने नज़र आ रही है। अल-तैबा स्कूल की ख़ुसूसियत ये है कि ये तमाम उम्मत मुस्लिमा के बच्चों को असरी तालीम के साथ साथ इल्म दीन से भी आरास्ता व पैरास्ता कर रहे हैं। यही जज्बे के तहत अल-तैबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल चल रहा है। बहरहाल आप अगर देखेंगे स्कूल का एनवायरनमेंट, स्कूल जो बनाया गया है उसको देखेंगे तो अंदाज़ा होगा कि इसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत लगी हुई है। अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त की बारगाह में दुआ है कि मंसूर साहब को और ज़्यादा अल्लाह ताला तरक्की अता फ़रमाए। मैं बारगाह शेख दक्कन की जानिब से दिल के अमीर गहराइयों से मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ कि तकरीबन 700 तलबा यहाँ पर ज़ेर तालीम है और इंशाअल्लाह आगे इजाफ़ा भी होगा। और अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि इस इदारे से और नौ निहाला ने मुस्लिम को खूब फ़ायदा मिले और दीनो मिल्लत और अपनी ज़िंदगी संवारने का एक अजीम ज़रिया ये अल-तैबा की तालीम उन्हें हो। अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त की बारगाह में दुआ है कि इनके काम में और मज़ीद बरकत और इस्तिक़ामत अल्लाह ताला अता फ़रमाए।
We are proud to acknowledge the invaluable contributions of our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Muhammad Mansoor Ali Al-Junaidi, and our dedicated Joint Secretary, Mrs. Asma Parveen Ma'am, who laid the foundation of Al-TAIBA School in the year 2011. Al-TAIBA School is renowned for delivering academic excellence while fostering moral education, promoting inclusivity, and encouraging a harmonious environment for students of all backgrounds and faiths.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asifa Mehbir, student of class 10th, is really excited and blessed to be chosen and share my opinion. I am proud to be a student of Al-TAIBA School and I know I will miss it deeply when I leave. The management, headmistress and teachers at my school are incredibly supportive and are always available to help them succeed. Thank you.
Our school boasts spacious classrooms, a well-equipped library, a modern science laboratory, a vast assembly ground, outdoor play equipment, a serene prayer hall, and clean, hygienic washrooms. To ensure the safety of our students, the entire campus is monitored by CCTV cameras, allowing us to maintain a secure and well-supervised environment. Guidelines for children. The safety and well-being of our students remain the top priority of our management. For children who travel by school buses and vans, strict guidelines are enforced. Each school vehicle is assigned a male staff member to ensure the safety of students until they reach their destination. Our teachers warmly greet every child, ensuring they feel welcome and secure.
AL-TAIBA School has its own fleet of school buses and vans designed as per standards of manned by trained drivers and synthesized to the need of the small children. Our management is more concerned to help the students to commute and to form school safely and conveniently.
Each day begins with prayer, followed by a morning assembly where important announcements, motivational quotes, and national updates are shared, concluding with the national anthem.
माइसेल्फ बीबी आयशा, मैं 6th क्लास की स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं अल-तैबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में क्लास मॉन्टेसरी से पढ़ रही हूँ। और ये मेरे लिए बाहैसियत मुस्लिम फ़ख्र की बात है कि मैं एक ऐसे स्कूल में पढ़ रही हूँ जहाँ हमें दुनियावी तालीम के साथ दीनी और इस्लामिक तालीम भी पढ़ाई जाती है। और हमारे स्कूल की शुरुआत असेंबली में कुरान की तिलावत और हदीस और उसके तर्जुमे को सुनाने के साथ होती है और हमें क्लास में कुरान पाक भी हिफ्ज़ कराया जाता है। और इसके अलावा हमारे स्कूल में नमाज हॉल भी है जहां हम बॉयज़ जमात के साथ नमाज़ पढ़ते हैं और गर्ल्स पूरे पर्दे के साथ अपनी नमाज अदा करती हैं। और हमारे स्कूल में इस्लामिक कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स और इस्लामिक क्विज़ कंपटीशन भी कंडक्ट किया जाता है जिसमें विनर्स को प्राइज़ भी दिया जाता है। मैं इसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ आली जनाब मोहम्मद मंसूर अली जुनैदी साहब, चेयरमैन ऑफ अल-तैबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल, और मोहतरम आसमा परवीन साहिबा, वाइस चेयरपर्सन ऑफ अल-तैबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरा।
Classrooms. Our digital classrooms are equipped with advanced technology, enabling teachers to deliver high-quality, updated content. This approach enhances students' knowledge, prepares them for future careers, and empowers them with the necessary technological skills.
We are holding the legacy of 14 years with excellent results. We ensure our students are ready to take challenges in future and to become a good human being. We have all qualified and experienced teachers to teach academic and moral educations. Congratulations to all the parents. I'm proud to say that our children are in good hands, which is Al-TAIBA School teachers. Al-TAIBA School is famous in excellence in education.
Computer Lab. Recognizing the importance of modern education, our computer lab plays a crucial role in fostering creativity and digital literacy. The lab supports multimedia presentations, digital artwork, and technological exploration, preparing students for the digital age.
Fatima from class 6. My school is a place where we learn, grow and develop essential things that shape our future. It's a place where we discover our passions, make lifelong friends and create unforgettable memories. Our teachers guide us, support us and encourage us to ask questions. Through interactive lessons, projects and activities, we develop important skills like communication, teamwork and time management. Thank you.
LKG Rhymes. Our little angels in the pre-primary section enjoy singing rhymes under the guidance of their teachers. This engaging and fun-filled environment fosters language development, creativity, and social interaction.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello, I'm Muhammad Rehan. I'm a student of class 9. Is lucky and fortunate to share my opinion. My parents enrolled my name in AL-TAIBA English Medium School, which has been one of the best recognized schools in our community. The first and foremost priority of our prestigious management is to encourage to excel academically, sports, extracurricular activities, thus overall development of an individual. I am proud to be a student of AL-TAIBA School. Thank you.
Sports. At AL-TAIBA School, sports are given equal importance alongside academics. Our sports programs help develop essential life skills such as self-discipline, teamwork, leadership, and self-control.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಶಂಸುದ್ದೀನ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಕಂಡಂತಹ ವಿವಿಧ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಬಹಳ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಲಾ ಆವರಣ ಮತ್ತು ವಿವಿಧ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಡಳಿತ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಸಂಘಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟ, ವಿವಿಧ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗುಂಪುಗಳಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ AL-TAIBA ಶಾಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಯ ಶಾಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಉನ್ನತಿಯಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Co-curricular activities are integrated into the curriculum to enhance social skills, time management, and personal growth.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm mother of Munazza Anjum. Feel proud and happy to have enrolled my daughter in this prestigious institution. I'm impressed with your curriculum teaching methods, which is different from other school, and I would like to congratulate management of this school for its endless efforts.
Corridor. Our spacious corridors allow students and teachers to move comfortably throughout the school, promoting a smooth and organized flow during school hours. Azan and Namaz. In addition to academic knowledge, our institution emphasizes religious teachings and spiritual development. Students receive guidance in Islamic values, etiquette, and moral principles, shaping them into responsible and compassionate individuals.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि ताला व बरकातुहू। मैं मौलाना शेख सलीमुद्दीन निज़ामी। मैं गुज़िश्ता 3 साल से ज़ायद अरसे से AL-TAIBA इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में अपनी खिदमात को पेश कर रहा हूँ बहैसियत उर्दू और दीनियात टीचर। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह AL-TAIBA इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में जहाँ हमें दुनियावी तालीम और दुनियावी मकासद को पूरी करने वाली और बच्चों को तरबियत बेहतरीन हम देखते हैं, वहीं पर यहाँ पर दीनी निज़ाम बहुत ही बेहतरीन अंदाज में चलाया जा रहा है, जहाँ पर बच्चों को दीनी तालीम तरबियत का इस तरीके से नज़म रखा गया है कि बच्चों को हिफ्ज़ भी कराया जाता है। दीनियात में मुख्तसर दीनियाती बातें, बुनियादी अकायद और इसके अलावा मॉरल एजुकेशन जो बेहतरीन अंदाज में प्रैक्टिकल शक्ल में यहाँ पर दी जाती है। अल-तैबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल एक ऐसा स्कूल है जिसके नाम को तजवीज़ करने वाली शहर गुलबर्गा की एक सूफ़ी शख्सियत सूफ़ी बासफ़ा हज़रत शेख शाह ताजुद्दीन बाबा जुनैदी साबिक़ा सज्जादा नशीन बारगाह हज़रत शेख दक्कन है, जिन्होंने इस स्कूल की नाम की तजवीज़ पेश की, जो कि अल-तैबा यानी सबसे बेहतरीन और सबसे अच्छा स्कूल पूरे गुलबर्गे में अपना एक नुमाया नाम रखता हुआ हमें नज़र आ रहा है और यहाँ की तालीम पूरे शहर गुलबर्गा को मशहूर व मारूफ करते हुए नज़र आ रही है। मैं अपनी बात को इस शेर के साथ ख़त्म करना चाहूँगा, ये अल-तैबा स्कूल है तेरा मैं कदा नहीं साक़ी, ये अल-तैबा स्कूल है तेरा मैं कदा नहीं साक़ी, यहाँ की खाक से इंसान बनाए जाते हैं।
Seminars are an integral part of our educational approach. These interactive sessions provide students with opportunities to improve language control, communication skills, presentation techniques, and time management. Investiture ceremony. Our investiture ceremony plays a significant role in nurturing leadership qualities among students. It encourages accountability, empathy, and initiative, preparing them to face future challenges confidently.
Assalamualaikum. Myself, Raina, I am an English teacher. I have been associated with this institution for the past 7 years. It has been an amazing journey and wonderful experience. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the management and the entire school administration for your unwavering commitment in creating a positive and nurturing environment. I appreciate the workshops and training programs for organizing at school. I'd like to take the privilege to congratulate the management of the school for its endless efforts. Thank you.
Pre-primary lunch. Children in our pre-primary section are taught essential hygiene practices such as washing hands before meals and praying to Allah for His blessings. Teachers instill good manners, including the importance of not talking while eating and finishing lunch on time. Meeting hall. Our spacious and well-ventilated meeting hall facilitates faculty discussions, idea sharing, and collaborative planning for the overall development of our students.
My association with the same Al-TAIBA English Medium School started in the year 2018 as a maths teacher. I am grateful to be a part of Al-TAIBA School, which provides such a nurturing and inclusive environment for both students and staff. The school commitment to the academic excellence, values, holistic development is truly inspiring. The collaborative spirit among the staff, the encouragement from the administration, and the enthusiasm from the students to make this a wonderful place to teach and grow. I look forward to contribute further to this remarkable institution.
Fancy dress. Fancy dress competitions at AL-TAIBA School encourage creativity and imagination. Students confidently present their characters and develop public speaking skills while expressing their ideas. Our students have had the privilege of meeting distinguished personalities, including the chairperson of Karnataka Silk Industries Corporation Limited and a member of the Legislative Assembly from Gulbarga North constituency. Staff room. Our well-equipped staff room provides a comfortable space for teachers to recharge, collaborate, and discuss strategies for enhancing student learning.
My name is Sabah Amreen. My association with Al-TAIBA School started in the year 2016 as an educator. Our school is more than just a place of learning. It's a nurturing community that fosters growth, passion, and inspire excellence. Our school teachers work tirelessly behind the scenes, and their hard work hasn't gone unnoticed. We empower tomorrow's change maker, fostering growth, nurture, and excellence in education. Our students bring boundless energy and kindness, and make our school a vibrant and inclusive place.
AL-TAIBA Fun World. AL-TAIBA Fun World is a specially designed space where children can engage in creative play and enhance problem-solving skills through fun and innovative activities.
I am Khradul. I'm from class 2nd. Today I feel proud to share my wonderful journey at AL-TAIBA English Medium School, where I started my education from KG to 2nd standard. These early years were full of joy, learning and memorable experience. I learned the basics of reading, writing and numbers, and my teachers were always kind and supportive. This school has given me a strong foundation and many beautiful memories that I will cherish forever. Thank you.
Nursery games. We believe in holistic development, and our nursery section emphasizes physical activities like running, jumping, dancing and hopping. These activities promote motor skills and physical coordination among young learners.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Afra Mother. I want to thank the teachers and staff of AL-TAIBA School for their hard work. My child is happy and learning well in school. The teachers are kind and supportive, and we see a lot of improvement. We also appreciate the school effort in making learning fun with the different activities. We are glad to be a part of this school and look forward to working together for our children's bright future.
Science Lab. Our modern science lab enables students to conduct experiments safely and analyze scientific phenomena, encouraging practical learning and curiosity.
It is with immense gratitude and humility that I stand before you today, reflecting on a remarkable journey of 14 years as the first teacher of this esteemed institution. Looking back, I can only begin by thanking Almighty Allah, who has blessed me with the opportunity to serve as an educator and witness the incredible growth of this school from a very foundation. And of course, I special thanks to our students who continue to inspire us every single day.
Reception Hall. Visitors and parents are warmly welcomed at our beautifully designed, well-ventilated reception hall, providing a comfortable space to meet with school authorities. Faculty and achievements. Our faculty members are well-trained, dedicated, and student-friendly. They provide extra support through additional classes when required. AL-TAIBA School has received the prestigious Golden School Award since 2019 for its excellence in education. Our success would not be possible without the unwavering support of parents. We value and cherish the trust they place in us.
Assalamu alaikum. On the behalf of AL-TAIBA management, we thanks to all the parents who believe and faith on us to admit their children in our schools. We serve the good qualities of education. We have well-qualified teachers always behind our students to help them to become a well-qualified and a good person in their lives.
Islamic and moral education. AL-TAIBA School provides the perfect balance between academic excellence and Islamic education. Our experienced Maulanas teach Quran and Hadith with correct tajweed and support students who pursue Hifdul Quran. Excursions. Our school organizes annual excursions where students and staff enjoy a day filled with fun activities, games, and relaxation, offering a refreshing break from regular classes.
I would like to thank all the parents who believe on us, who faith on us to admit their children in our school. We focus individually each and every student to provide quality education irrespective of any religion. So I assure all the parents for providing their quality education, and after pass out students from my school, they will be able to face any challenges in their lives. They will be well educated, they will be critical thinking, and they will be good responsible citizen of India.
Environment and sustainability. Our campus is adorned with lush greenery, promoting a healthy environment and instilling a sense of environmental responsibility in our students. Hurry up! Without a second thought, enroll your child in AL-TAIBA School, a respected institution that provides quality education and paves the way for a brighter future.